Hello everyone, this is Kian from Reaper Rocker. On today's episode, magba-band feature tayo at kikilalanin natin ang Bleach Band. Isang grunge band mula sa Cavite at alamin natin ang tungkol sa kanilang banda. So, if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's go! Bleach Band is an alternative rock band formed in 2018. They are known for playing gigs such as grunge, Nirvana nights, and Kurt Cobain tribute events, which reflects their main musical influence. Their band was inspired by Nirvana's album Bleach. The band composed of Jeffrey Valderramo on vocals and guitar, Jello Garcia on bass, Lucio on drums, and Lord J on lead guitar. With every stroke of the guitar, the band brings out the heavy heart and chaotic mind. Inspired by Nirvana, their sound is raw, dirty, and uninhibited. Grunge born from real experience. There's no fluff here, everything is felt, everything is screamed. So na-feature na natin ang grupong Bleach Band sa last season nung nagkaroon tayo ng interview with the other bands like Rajang, Bleach, at yung mga iba pa nating mga nakasama. At dito ko nga nakilala si Sir Jeff ng bandang Bleach. So, after that interview, nagka-interest akong na makakilala talaga sila at chinek out ko ang kanilang musika. At talagang na-hook up ako no, sa music nila. Yung kanta nilang Ayos Matindi, napaka-solid. So, I want to share this video ng kanilang kanta na Ayos Matindi. Let's check them out.
gising ka na. Uy.
And that was Bleach Band's Ayos Matindi. So, overall, ang masasabi ko sa music nila ay raw siya, pero napaka-solid, no? Talagang nandun yung strong nung presence ng music nila, yung strong influence ng grunge at talagang ang sarap pakinggan. Parang you're like traveling back to the 90s. May pagkatunog kayo din siya, kaya napaka-nostalgic ng feels. Kung ikaw ay isang fan ng mga tunog kalye at saka ng mga 90s rock bands, well, I strongly suggest na pakinggan nyo ang bandang Bleach dahil napaka-solid nila. At yung tunog ay talagang solid. Kaya, ano pang masasabi ko, talagang napaka-solid ng kanilang tugtugan at talagang napaka-angas din. And I hope na sana magkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon na makita ang bandang tong live at malubos din makilala si Sir Jeff at saka ng ilang mga members ng kanilang banda. At ayun, shoutout din pala sa music style nila na talagang napaka-harmonize at napaka-solid. No? Talagang ang galing lang talaga ng deliver. At muli, suportahan natin lahat ng mga music at ng mga banda sa local scene. Marami kayong mahahanap dyan ng magagaling na talents at talagang napaka-solid. Kaya, please support and check out their gigs. At malay nyo, may mga ma-discover din kayo mga magagaling na banda.
Let's check out the mosh spots that we could visit for the following days.
Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections anong masasabi nyo sa bandang Bleach. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode. This is Ian signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas.